Nearly half of the EU's land surface is covered with forests. Wooded areas are Europe's lungs. They purify the air we breathe and protect our biodiversity. MEPs are calling for an EU forest strategy to help reach the Green Deal goal of reducing 60% of CO2 emissions by 2030 compared to 1990 levels.
The enhancement of biodiversity, the fight against climate change, and the transitions to circular bioeconomy and to a fossil-free society will never be possible without multifunctional, healthy, and sustainably managed forests.
Europe's forests provide homes for animals and insects, making them important for biodiversity. Wooded areas also protect our soil from erosion and extreme weather events. Our forests are vital for the bioeconomy, producing not only wood, but fruit, cork, resin and oils. The European Parliament recognises that sustainable forest management can support a crucial economic sector while helping manage climate change, pests and diseases.
Das sind Bäume, das sind Kiefern, die sind abgestorben. Die Sonne hat hier, sage ich mal, die Bäume zum Absterben gebracht und die Trockenheit. Erst kam ein Pilz rein, Diplodia, und später ein Käfer, Prachtkäfer oder Borkenkäfer. Der hat die Bäume dann als Sekundärschädling zum Absterben gebracht.
MEPs highlight that forestry workers would also benefit from a robust forestry strategy.
The jobs within the sector are dependent on resilient and well-managed forest ecosystems in the long term.
The new strategy should act as a bridge between national policies and EU objectives.